Hello. The daily uplifting news beautifully visualized by Information is Beautiful, August 22, 2020. Today's visualization is about coral-like bioconcrete generates no emissions. The world uses billions of tons of concrete every year. Its production contributes heavily to the climate crisis. Fossil fuels fire the kilns, while CO2 is generated by the process itself. This new, low-carbon replacement could be the answer. Bricks are grown using bacteria. It's quick. It's cheap. It doesn't require fuel. Genius. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.